travel to the coastal city of Koper, known for their marinas and shipping ports for Slovenia. Heavily influenced by Italy, Koper is a beautiful city full of tradition. They are also home of TOMOS mopeds. Just came back from paint. This is Constantine. He is head sales manager at TOMOS. He gave us a tour of the facility, which has been operational since 1959. The return of TOMOS to the United States was broadcasted all across Slovenia and Europe. New owner Istok Pickle promises the highest quality for the TOMOS brand. Seeing the process firsthand, it's clear he has delivered. Check with your local moped shop this spring for a brand new TOMOS moped.